Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, today I am introduce you a new sound. This is sound A. A. Make a go up and down. A. This is sound A. A. Make a go up and down. This is sound A. Children, this is your new phonic language series, book 1. Now open at page number 44. Children, in this sound, we will read the vocabulary of A sound. This is sound A. A. A apricot. A apricot. A aeroplane. A aeroplane. A ambulance. A ambulance. A apple. A apple. A. This is sound A. A apricot. A aeroplane. A apple. A ambulance. This is sound A. Children, now open at page number 4545. So children, in this page, we say the picture name with sound, aloud and color. So children, which picture is this? Here, this is a apple. A apple. So children, you will color the apple. Red color for a apple. A apple. We will do nice color with a on a apple. A apple. Children, we use red color for a apple. So we will do green color in apple's leaf. A apples. So we will do green color in leaves on a apple. Children, you will complete this page at home. Children, now open at page number 46. Children, in this page, you will see the picture name with sound, aloud and color. This is a ambulance. This is a ambulance. So we will do blue color in a ambulance. Children, you will do nice color with a ambulance like this. Okay children, you will complete the color in a ambulance at home. And now open at page number 47. Children, in this page we will phrase the sound A. A. Make a go up and down. This is sound A. Make a go up and down. A. Make a go up and down. A apple. A arrow. A ambulance. Now children, you will complete this page at home. Now open at page number 48. In this page, you will read the vocabulary of sound A axe and a apricot and color the pictures and read the sound A axe and a apricot. Children, you will complete these pages at home in the guidance of your parents. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.